Well, here we are on the first start of 2023. It's February 10th, I think it is, maybe the 9th. Who knows? It's February 2023. And I'm going to show you the hardest part of starting these hustlers first time of the year, if it's a residential or in a southern area where it's really not utilized 3 or 4 months out of the year. And that's this one right here, is the old Hustler Raptor SD. Hardest part for me is always getting my safety locks off here, which are these 3-inch screws that goes in through the doors to be the backup and the safety security for that lock there. And as you can see, I've got the old Milwaukee 12-volt impact wrench out here. All right, we've checked the gas. It's right there, about a half tank. We've already checked the oil, looks good. I think that's 2 years on the oil because I don't do a lot of hours on this thing. And really the hardest part of all is finding the key. Whoa, there tore a leg off. Find the key for that club right there. Now that steering club, that's important if you live in the United States, is make sure you got a steering club on there so somebody can't steal your lawnmower. All right, so let's go ahead and get that off here. Already got it unlocked. Now then, and the second hardest thing is remembering you can't start it. What if it ain't got these in park? All right, so now we got that in park. Let's throw open the door here. We've already got it unlocked. I'll put this part right here. And we'll open up the door. And I know this is real technical for a lot of people, but here we go. Now, let's get the key out of the hidey hole here. This makes a real good hidey hole. People can't see it from the road. All right. So you put this in here like that. Just like that. You turn it to on. You bring the throttle up to about halfway. And you see we got half a tank of fuel. You pull that choke all the way up. This is a Kawasaki motor. And then you reach over here. Oh, by the way, second security device. Another thing that's a must. I guess there was still some stinking gasoline. Oh, look here. I got to glue one of them back on there. Just pulled it off. Second security device is this here fuel shut off, so they can't run it very far. All right, now let's pull this back down here. See it? I'll have to put that back on there. Let's get it off the floor real quick. Put it in my little hidey hole there. Okay, now then. Alrighty, that's all there is to it to start one of these Hustler lawnmowers after sitting 4 or 5 months. Just put fuel in them, oil, good battery, choke it, turn the fuel on, start it. Pretty good, huh? Hey, we hope you enjoyed this silly little fake first start of the, well, it was first start. But anyway, the little faux pas first start of your video. We appreciate you guys coming by Max's Garage Mahal. As we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see us down here.